consider a triangle. Let it be ABC. Here at B we have right angle. Let this angle be theta. Here AC is the side which is opposite to 90 degrees. Therefore it is known as hypotenuse. Here this is the side which is opposite to theta, is known as opposite side. This is another side adjacent to theta, is known as adjacent side. By using these three sides, already written 6 different functions, 6 different ratios. We may write BC by AC, BC by AC. Similarly, we may write AB by AC. Similarly, we may write BC by AB also. BC by AB. Here BC by AC. BC by AC means opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. AB by AC means adjacent side by hypotenuse. BC by AB means opposite side by adjacent side. This ratio is named as sin theta. Adjacent side by hypotenuse is named as cos theta. This is named as tan theta. Here we may write multiplicative inverse of this, multiplicative inverse of sin theta. Multiplicative inverse of sin theta means just write the denominator as numerator, numerator as the denominator. That gives AC by BC. Similarly, write multiplicative inverse of this, AC by AB. Multiplicative inverse of BC by AB is AB by BC. Here multiplicative inverse of sin theta is known as cosec theta. Multiplicative inverse of cos theta is known as sec theta. Multiplicative inverse of tan theta is known as cot theta. Here see, these are the functions which are multiplicative inverses to these three functions. Here finally 6 trigonometric functions, trigonometric ratios definitions we got finally. Here we may find sin theta by cos theta. Here sin theta is equal to, according to our triangle, according to our definition, sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. This is the numerator, this is the denominator, these will be get cancelled. Finally we are getting opposite side by adjacent side. But opposite side by adjacent side means tan theta. Therefore we can conclude sin theta by cos theta is equals to tan theta. Similarly, we may find out like this also. Here done sin theta by cos theta. Now do cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta means, according to our definition, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. Here these will be get cancelled. You will get adjacent side by opposite side, that is known as cot theta. Therefore, cos theta by sin theta is equals to cot theta. Similarly, now do like this. I am finding 1 by tan theta. 1 by tan theta means opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. We may write like this: adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side by opposite side means, which is the opposite side by adjacent side? That is tan theta. Multiplicative inverse of this. Multiplicative inverse of this is adjacent side by opposite side. Means that is cot theta. Therefore, 1 by tan theta is equals to cot theta. Therefore, here these are the relations between trigonometric ratios. Here, multiplicative inverse of tan theta is cot theta. Ratio between sin and cos gives tan theta. Ratio between cos and sin gives cot theta. Here first used right angle triangle. By using this right angle triangle, 6 different ratios written, named as sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Here these are the relations. When we find out the ratio between sin and cos, we are getting tan. When we find out the ratio between cos and sin, we are getting cot theta. If we do multiplicative inverse of tan theta, we are getting cot theta. Therefore, finally sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta. 1 by tan theta is equals to cot theta. Similarly, here which is the multiplicative inverse of sin means cosec theta means 1 by sin theta. Similarly, which is the multiplicative inverse of this means 1 by cos theta gives sec theta, 1 by tan theta gives cot theta. Here already derived. Therefore, 1 by sin theta is equal to cosec theta, 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta, 1 by tan theta is equal to cot theta, sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta, cos theta by sin theta is equals to cot theta. These are called relations between trigonometric ratios.